How to mount camera. Mount tripod at the bottom of gimbal. Loosen motor lock. Adjust axis to the suitable angle, then tighten the lock. Fix ARCA quick release plate at the bottom of the camera. Unlock quick release plate lock. Mount quick release plate. Don't forget to tighten it. Loosen the knob. Mount camera and tighten the knob. Mount lens holder and tighten the screw. Finished. Balancing and turn on gimbal. Make sure the lens is upward. Let go. Observe the dropping direction. Loosen axis knob. Push and pull the axis arm until camera lens can stand upward stably. Then tighten the knob. The second step, put camera lens forwards. Let go. Observe the dropping direction. Unlock quick release plate. Move quick release plate forwards and backwards until camera is balanced. Then tighten the lock. Camera is well balanced when it is stable at any angle. The third step, unlock roll axis. Let go. Observe the dropping direction. Loosen the knob of cross arm. Adjust cross arm until camera is well balanced. Then tighten the knob. Camera is well balanced when roll axis is stable at any angle. The fourth step, unlock pan axis. Place gimbal horizontally. Let go. Observe the dropping direction. Loosen the knob of vertical arm. Push and pull the axis arm until camera is balanced. Then tighten the knob. Camera is well balanced when it can stay at any angle stably. 3-axis is stable at any angle. The camera is balanced successfully. Long press the power button. Make sure you unlock 3 axes. Gimbal is ready to use now. Long press power button to turn off the gimbal. Loosen the knob to dismount camera. You don't need to balance for the second use with the same camera.